Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google credentials in n8n. So we're going to head over n8n and then we're going to head over the overview of our dashboard. So from here, we are going to see the collection of the workflows that we have created. And as you can see, we have the credential tab. Beforehand, we've had a little bit of a long process to connect any Google account. So basically in here, or in this new update from n8n and Google, we have some conventions that has been set up. So the let's say the connection or the connecting of the credential has been a little bit here much simpler. So we're going to head over the credentials. So maybe you're going to create a new credential. As you can see, I have this Google Calendar, this Google account, and also or Gmail account and Google Sheets. So I'm going to create a new credential, and maybe we're going to type in for Google. So we can go ahead and see that we have Google Ads, Google Analytics, any type of Google, as you can see here. Let's say a credential. So we are going to select this one maybe. And then we're going to click on continue, or as you can see here, the specific assets in here. So as you can see, Google Docs is going to request the client ID and also the client secret. So in here, we are going to have two different options, or depending on the specific Google credential that you have in here, you're going to have the specific option. So you have saw before that I have selected maybe a product like Analytics. It is going to give us here or demand the client ID and the client secret. But in some cases, like the much simpler ones like Google or Gmail, you're going not to see that client ID and also secret. You only need to sign in with a Google account. Now, this is how you can go ahead and add your credential in here. So basically, you are going to head over Google. Then you're going to, for example, you're going to head over google.com. Then you're going to head over not the spreadsheet. So Google, please leave to Google. We have Google Cloud Center. So you're going to have here a Google Cloud Center. Click on Start or to the console of your Google Cloud Center, and then you're going to set up the API of the specific, as you can see here, let's say project. So you are going to create a new project. You're going to have the project created. Click on API and services and start setting up the credential in here. So you're going to have the credential, the OAuth consent screen, and then you're going to have the permissions and also the data access and the branding. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.